a large initial circle in the same direction as a circus represents the double consonant sound of SW. So a large initial circle in the same direction as a circus represents the double consonant sound of SW, like in, sweet, sweet. Okay, like some, swum. सीट सर्कलस के साथ सीट आ रहा है, सर्कलस का डबल द साइज हम इनिशियली लिख दिया था. इट रिप्रेजेंट द साउंड ऑफ एस डब्ल्यू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड. सो स्वीट, जो पहला आता है सर्कल, इट हैज टू बी रिटन, सॉरी, इट हैज टू बी रेड फर्स्ट, लाइक इन एस सीट एंड एस डब्ल्यू स्वीट, वोवेल फॉलो कर रहा है. सो एस डब्ल्यू के बाद ई, स्वीट, स्वीट. आगे सम, स्वम. As vowel cannot be written to a circle SW, मतलब W stroke के साथ, it must be written in whole words like sway, sway. ठीक है, sway, swaziu, saziu, ऐसा पढ़ो, ऐसे saziu, sway. Okay. So a vowel cannot be written in a circle. A vowel cannot be written to a circle W stroke must be written like sway, swaziu. Next, medieval or final large circle represents the sound of SS, having a light or heavy sound with the intervening vowel, like in necessity, like necessity. Okay. Possess, इसको भी आप ऊपर लिख सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. नेसेसिटी, ठीक है. एंड पोजेसिव, possessive, sieve, possessive. समझ में आ रहा है ना? एस और एस के बीच में एक ई का वोवेल आ रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई नेसेसिटी. ये प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई कर रहा है. ये फाइनल और मिडीवियल, ये मिडीवियल है, ये फाइनल है. पासेस, एस ई एस, लाइट वोवेल आ रहा है. इधर पोजेसिव, ई का वोवेल आ रहा है, पोजेसिव. नेसेसिटी, सी टी, नेसेसिटी, नेसेसिटी. ये मिडीवियल, ये फाइनल, ये भी मिडीवियल वोवेल. Like that you have to understand. If a vowel other than मतलब e intervenes, e intervenes, it is indicated by placing the vowel sign within the ses circle. मतलब ये डबल एस जो भी है, like in exist, exist. Okay, and exhaust, like that. Exist, जो एस एंड एस का बीच में जो आई का साउंड आ रहा है इमीडिएटली अदर देन ई का अलावा एग्जिस्ट, बीच में एक डॉट ई का वोवेल लगाएंगे और इधर भी आ का वोवेल लगाएंगे बीच में सेस सर्किल के बीच में. You can also add a small circle S to the final set circle, like in exercises. Okay, exercises. In the final set circle, it can also represent two consecutive syllables of, like in misspell. Consecutive, टू कॉन्सिक्यूटिव मतलब एस, मिस स्पेल, ये दोनों के बीच में कोई वोवेल नहीं है, बट लेकिन उसके लिए भी हम फाइनल और मिडिवल में हम इसको यूज करेंगे. जब हम फाइनल एस के साथ हम स्ट्रोक लिखता है, टू मेक इट प्लोरल और पोसेसिव, हम लास्ट में एक सर्किल एस उसको जोड़ सकता है. जब हम कोई स्ट्रोक एस के साथ एंड करता है, स्ट्रोक एस के साथ कोई पॉलिसी, ठीक है, पॉलिसी, टू मेक इट प्लोरल हम क्या करेंगे, एक सर्किल एस लास्ट में ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है, पॉलिसीज, लाइक दैट. ये प्लोरल बनाने के लिए, पोसेसिव बनाने के लिए भी हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक इन लूसी. सपोज हम लूसी लिखेंगे, ठीक है, लूसीस, ऐसा लिखेंगे, लूसी, or लूसीस, like that. You can move by adding a small circle at the end of the word which ends with a stroke s. By adding a small circle, you can make plurals or possessives of that particular word. हम कुछ जगह डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए भी स्ट्रोक्स को डिफरेंटली लिखता है, लाइक इन possess, लेकिन possess, ठीक है, like that. And access, okay, लेकिन axis, like that. Another thing is recess, recess, and races, like that. Recess, races. SW और S सर्किल इन फ्रेजियोग्राफी हम कैसे यूज करेंगे, as we have, we have. Okay, एक दूसरा as we can, as we can, as we can. And another important is very beautiful phrase, as well as well as. They're all above the lines. Okay, and in phraseography we use this circle in this city, in this city, in phrases like in this city. And if circle is written above the line, it represents as, it represents as is, or as has. If it is written on the line, it represents is as or is his. On the line circles is or his. So by writing the double matlab, the size of a small circle, is using it for is his or is as, and above the line as is or as has, like that. And if it is written on the line with it, this is, like that they are using it in phraseography. So he has given some gram lakhs. You have to, if n is written above the line, in or in a. If n is written below the line, it is on. If downward r is written on the line, you are. If it is written through the line, it is year. If r is written on the line, re, matlab r, a r e r. If it is written through the line, our, matlab our, or our, dono. And if ray is written with such circle, it represents ourselves. And if it is written with it, the, themselves. So n above the line, in or any, below the line, bone. If downward or on the line, your. If it is through the line, downward or, it represents ear. Ray on the line, r. Ray through the line, our or our. And ray through the line with such circle represents ourselves. And the with such circle represents themselves. Thereafter he has given exercise number 31, 32, 33, 31, 32, 33 and 34. So in exercise number 31, I will read one or two sentences, lines, to give you some idea about these strokes. First line, sweep, sweet, swede, switch, swivel, swiss, and swish. And third line, possess, supposes, deposes, थर्ड लाइन डिपोजेस, मिक्सेस, switches नहीं, noses and laces. And seventh line possess, possesses, recess, recesses, मतलब recesses ऐसा ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आर आर ये लाइट ये, recess, recesses, abscess, abscesses, excess, like that. And thereafter he has given exercise number 32, sweetly, adding L with sweet, sweetly, sweetly through the lane, okay. And sweetness, 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 you have to place the vowel sweetness like that. And swig, swig on the line, swig. And swain, swain on the line, swing, ये लाइट वन है, आप ये कंफ्यूज मत होना, दोनों एक ही जैसा लिख रहे हैं. स्विंग. And last one is swimmer, swimmer, swimmer. Like that. He has given so many matlab lines there. You have to practice them without any fail. And exercise number 33 has given some passage. I will read one or two lines. I wish you to write to me as to the disposal of those cases of yours which I have had lying in these offices for a year now. इसमें देख लेना आप कितना मतलब ग्राम लाक्स और करना वो इसका क्या बोलते हैं फ्रेजियोग्राफी आ रहा है. You have to, that's why I am telling you to practice them regularly. You have had successive notices asking. And 34 is there. मैं एक लाइन लिखूंगा आपके लिए 34 में. The invoices and bills, the invoices and bills, the invoices and bills of lading, for the balances, for the balances and laces, and laces are ready for dispatch, are ready for dispatch. See, इसमें dispatch में ये दो है, एक verb है एक noun है. So ये dis के साथ है, so patch. Dispatch है तो des के साथ होता है, वो on the line लिखना पड़ेगा. Dispatch and the cases themselves are to live by the Swiss Valley, oh, sorry, this sentence खत्म नहीं हुआ. Sailing on Wednesday, sailing on Wednesday. Stop. like that you have to practice. And thereafter he has given summary of the lesson also. You just go through the lesson. After hearing the lesson, you just go through the lesson, you will get fair understanding of the principle of writing SW, SS or SZ vowel in the form of SS circle. So you need to practice these gram logs and passages at least for 4 days, so that you get confidence to take dictation, because almost all matlab, now you are going to get passages around 150 or 200 words passages you will get regularly hereinafter. You have to practice them. There is no other way. You try to copy them as fast as you can in shorthand, and thereafter try to read the shorthand version loudly in English. Okay. Good day. We'll meet again. Important note: don't try to remember the strokes without practicing. Practice, practice, and practice. There is no other way to learn and master stenography.